my brother-in-law and I sat down. He used to work for Ngāi Tahu, has worked with iwi a lot, so we sat down at our kitchen table and thought, what do people need? What do we need? What do other people need? Gary and I had a good life, but that takes a lot of hard work. So we thought, what are the supports that can happen for people to also have a good life? And so we created a Whakapiki Mauri. With our whānau needing support, we've obviously networked with housing and WINS and work and income, but also Ngāi Tahu or other iwi that people want to connect to. We have had to provide personal care support for people sometimes when the agency that has provided that stuff hasn't been okay for them at all. But on the flip side, we have been really lucky in working with Kotahi Manu Kaika, the Ngāi Tahu sort of Māori language unit that came along to our last hui. So again, we've been with people who have just enjoyed aligning with us and other people who we need to challenge sometimes. I think it's just whānau feeling okay to be who they are. And sometimes who they are is stroppy and they question what I do, which is great. And I'm pleased about that just because people feel comfortable enough to do that. But in terms of what people have done, they have, one whānau member's gone back to the Chatham Islands. We have had whānau started, like Massey started his own walking group in New Brighton. We've had people who've been supported in their businesses. A young woman that isn't here creates cosmetics. She's a young woman who's blind. So she's selling her stuff. For us, for Tyler and for Ella and for all of us, I've been around for a long time. I trained as a social worker many years ago. But it's having the exposure to Māori things. And I think our goal is always to be part of the Māori community. And the symposium helps us do that. As a thing that we build ourselves up for. We have 2 marae noho a year, and we have the symposium or another conference, and the symposium is where our guys can be Māori first.